I got pineapple juice, and then ketchup, toyo, and then little bit vinegar. Okay. Ilagyan natin ng 1 spoon of sugar. And then mix it well. Lutuin muna natin yung mga tilapia. Natin ang luto yung tilapia natin. Just wait. There you go. Tapos na yung tilapia natin. Let's try na look. Pwede na to. This is the last. Lagay tayo ng avocado oil. And then yung ginger tsaka onion. And then yung bawang. And then lagyan natin yung carrots and red pepper. Saute natin. Mix it. Putsain natin yung vegetables with onion, garlic, red pepper, and carrot. Okay? Okay. Lagyan na natin yung sauce ko na may pineapple juice, soy sauce, and ketchup. Okay? And sugar. Lagyan na natin dito. Okay, then mix it well. Okay guys, lagyan na natin ng black pepper. Lagyan na natin ng pampalasa. And then oyster sauce. Kunting oyster sauce lang. Just a little bit. And then little bit of patis fish sauce. Kunting salt. Mix it. Tapos lagay na natin yung cornstarch para pampalapot. Okay. Then mix it again. Let me put a little bit of yum. Kunti lang. That's it. Konting-konti lang. And then mix ulit. And then, lagay na natin yung pineapple. Okay. Then later, ito lalagay ko sa taas ng ano na po, tilapia. This is sweet and sour fish. Sweet and sour tilapia. Ayun, lumapot na yung sauce natin, saka vegetable. Okay, let me taste. Sarap ng sauce. And then, lagay na natin yung tilapia. Kain na po. Ay, muntik na nahug. Okay. Lagay natin yung sauce sa taas. Yun. Tapos, lagay na natin yung pangatlong tilapia. Kasi tatlo kami, kaya I cook 3 tilapia. So, tig-isa kami ng tilapia. Anyways, ibabad natin yung isa. Na. Okay guys, this is already done. Last one. Lagyan natin ng yung pineapple kanina. The rest of the pineapple. Lagyan natin sa taas. Okay. There you go guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Let's eat. Meron akong konting scallion. Lagyan ko ng scallion para magandang tignan. Kasing ganda nyo. O, diba? Bye! Ayan po. Ayan ang final result. So, lagay natin yung sauce sa taas. Tsaka yung vegetable. Okay. This is my tilapia sweet and sour. Let's eat. Masarap.